Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just a few minutes. Plus, you can buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is, as always, open up a blank slide and then you're going to insert one tagline, whatever you want to write, just one line, and then you're going to just put it onto the left side on top of your slide. And be sure to give it a dark shade, and you're also going to give it a bold a font. And the next thing you're going to do is just like highlight those two words, or and like you can highlight any much words you want. And then you're gonna insert your content text just below your tagline. Let's decrease its size more and more, and then let's give it some line spacing about 1.0 to 1.5%. And next we're gonna just like change its fill to light gray so that we can just make it less highlighted. Next we're gonna add another tagline just below to fill the space, and you can write anything you want right here and insert a round kind of rectangle just next to it. Make it fully rounded and remove its outline. Give it a fill of yellow. Next, you're gonna add up your text, one or two words text, and you're gonna just put it right here. You can either write explore, contact us, more information, or something like that. The next thing is we're gonna insert a round kind of rectangle onto the right side, make it fully rounded, and we're gonna just increase its size a bit. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, and then decrease that one height. We're gonna duplicate it again, and we're gonna put it right on top next to the first one. And similarly, we're gonna duplicate it about 6 times, and then we're gonna put them in this such manner, and then move them to the right side. Remove the outlines, select each one of them individually, and next we're going to select each one of them, go to picture texture fill and click on insert, and from your files you're going to just insert any picture you want. And next you're going to click on crop and then adjust it into your shape. So right now I'm just gonna make it faster so that you can easily do it. And so I don't want to waste your time, so you can just add up your images, then go to crop option, and from there you can just crop it. So we're now done. Next, what we're gonna do is go to shapes and insert circle right here, and remove this outline, give it like different like colors, and we're gonna use the eyedropper from the background of each of the image, and then we're gonna put them on different places, half out of the slide and half inside of the slide. And next we're just gonna give them different fill colors, and we're done. So this is what it is like. Next we're gonna insert our text, and then we're gonna insert a logo. I'm just gonna use a placeholder logo, and you can add your logo right here. The font I'm going to use for the logo is medium, and let's just give it a nice fill. You can use a black gray fill, or you can use a dark black or yellow fill, whichever one you like. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video. See you again in another video soon.